Hey there, so quick video for you. If your Vivint smart thermostat is not working, this is something I found on Reddit. Maybe it's going to help fix the issue for you. So someone wrote here, take off the thermostat from its base, wait 30 seconds and place it back. Reboot the panel and do both at the same time. Ensure your panel software is up to date and you can update it from the app on your phone. And someone even wrote here, look here, for anyone else having this issue, I used to chat on their support site and told them that I'm technical proficient and just needed them to give me a code to remove and re-add the thermostat node. They unlocked the panel from their end and gave me the code, the default 2203, to enter after pressing the software version. I went to remove field nodes and remove the thermostat node, then went to add node, and on the thermostat I went to install network connected and it connected just fine. So I just want to make this like a quick idea on how you can possibly fix the issue. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.